Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna unboxing Asahi WF-627. So let's this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the back of the grill, and this is the front grill. So this is blade. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is blade top, and this is for this one, and so we have this. And this is a lock. So let's get started for assemble. First, put the grill, back of the grill, and then lock, put the lock to remove this.
Is that a wall fan?
Yes. Then I put the blade here. And next is blade top. Okay, then next is putting a front grill. Okay, done. So we're done. So let's test it.
Go.
And so let's open.
Careful ha. Okay, go.
Okay, the first one.
Okay, you test number 1 muna up to 3.
Okay.
That's 1. Okay, how about 2? And then 3. And then back to 0.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you guys on the next video. Bye.